In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Facebook logo to your Canva document. First, let's open up the Canva document where you'll be working. This is something you likely already have set up, but if not, feel free to take a moment to do so before moving on. Canva's user-friendly platform should greet you right away, making it easy to dive into your design tasks. This step is all about preparing your workspace and getting into the creative zone. So, whether you're already a Canva pro or just embarking on your design journey, take this as a quick moment to settle in and perhaps consider what specific design or theme you are looking to enhance with a Facebook logo. Now that you're in your Canva document, let's focus on the next part, which is adding elements. On the left-hand side of your Canva interface, you'll see an option that says Elements. Clicking on this section opens up a world of possibilities for your design. Elements are essentially your design building blocks in Canva. From shapes and icons to lines and graphics, this is where the fun begins. For our task today, we'll want to specifically look for the Facebook logo. Use the search bar within the Elements section and type in Facebook logo. This search allows Canva to sift through its extensive library and present you with various options. As you scan through the options, you might notice a variety of Facebook logos. You may see different styles and sizes, giving you the opportunity to choose one that best fits your design. If you're unsure about which one to use, think about the overall aesthetic of your project. Are you going for a minimalist look, or are you leaning towards something a bit more vibrant and colorful? Once you've decided, click on the Facebook logo that catches your eye. This action will automatically add it to your Canva document. With the Facebook logo now on your design canvas, feel free to move it around to find the perfect spot. Adjust its size, orientation, or color to ensure it complements your overall project. A tip to keep in mind while doing this is to ensure that the logo remains proportionate, as stretching it too much might pixelate the image, which could detract from your final design's quality. If adjustments are needed, Canva provides intuitive tools to help you with resizing and placement, making these final tweaks a breeze. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added the Facebook logo to your Canva document. This simple addition can enhance your design and provide a recognizable social media symbol to your audience. Whether you're designing a poster, a social media post, or any other visual content, incorporating elements like logos can add a professional touch to your work. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this quick tutorial assists you in further exploring the creative possibilities within Canva.